Dancing, dancing zombie now.
Dad, I just want to look pretty and get off the makeup. I mean, this part and that part.
Yeah, you want to take it off? Okay, it comes off after 2 days.
Dad, I have to wear this to school?
I thought you knew. I told you it takes 2 days to come off.
Come on.
Yeah. Well, today's Friday, so Saturday and Sunday. It should be off by Monday. Maybe.
By the end of Monday, that's...
Yeah.
I have to wear it to school?
Yep. Monday. Don't pull that on it.
You make me mad.
Now you're stuck like that forever. I forgot you use the permanent makeup. That won't come off ever again. What are you gonna do?
I did that to my tongue. Did you see what I did? Look.
You colored it?
Oh, I hid my teeth in this lip and did that with my tongue. See, doesn't it look like my lip?
Mm-hmm. That's funny. Looks like you got a fat bottom lip.
Let's show Papa. Not in there.
Oh, he's still outside, probably.
Dad, can we make Papa stickers?
Yep. Say bye to the world.
Bye to the world.
Now we gotta do a zombie bye. No.